Hi Mrs. How are you?
I'm doing good, and you?
My name is Don Influence and you are?
My name is Vanessa.
That's a nice name, Vanessa. So right now I was a little busy with what I was doing, so I really need to get back to work. But I have around maybe 15 minutes to help you, ma'am.
Yeah, so I just lost my job, so...
Oh, you lost your job. I'm so sorry for that, ma'am.
Someone told me that you can help me with money making apps or anything that can help me make money. If you like advice, anything.
Yeah, I work with people like you who lost your jobs or just want to make extra money online. So right now we have a few apps which can help you, but I have one specific one which I know about, which has really helped me a lot and has helped a lot of people, and I can show you that app, ma'am. If that's okay with you, then yeah, we can start. I'll just get my person to get you a chair, then you can sit down so I can tell you about the app.
5 minutes later.
Put my chest raised. So what we can talk about is this app in particular. So the app we'll be working with is BrandHub, and I'm just going to play you a small tutorial of what is BrandHub.
Brands. We've all got our favorites, right? But what exactly is a brand? Is it that iconic logo? That memorable tagline? It's got to be the product, right? None of the above. Think about it. Products are made in a factory, but brands, they're made somewhere else. They're made in your mind. We're the builders, the influencers, the sharers. And what do we get for all of this hard work? Well, not a great deal. I mean, it's difficult to say. At this stage, nothing. But that's about to change. Enter BrandHub. And at BrandHub, we believe it's time that you, me, us, people, start getting something back. Power to the people. That's right. Brands are coming to the party by rewarding you, me, us, people for engaging with them. And it's so easy. Simply register on the BrandHub website and start earning Me-Bucks. Me-Bucks? Yep, you heard me right. Me-Bucks. My earning bucks. 1 Me-Buck equals 1 Rand. No complications, no calculations, no catch. How do you earn Me-Bucks? By engaging with brand content. Simply click on the content, register or log in to start earning. Ka-ching! Watch a video. Share content. Ka-ching! Complete a survey. And what do you do with your great big pile of Me-Bucks? Start spending at the BrandHub shop. Electronics, fashion, appliances, instruments, and brands. Lots of them. If you're low on Me-Bucks, then you can always top up with Rands. You're already engaging with brands, even when you don't want to, so why not get something out of it? Reward yourself, learn, earn, and get your piece of the pie. For more information, visit brandhub.com.
So ma'am, yeah, that is BrandHub, and what we can do now is talk about BrandHub as a whole. If you have any questions, because right now I'm running at about 6 minutes, then I have to get back to work, ma'am. So BrandHub is a website whereby you earn money using Me-Bucks. So after you earn money using Me-Bucks, you can go back on the app, and what you can do on the app is that you can buy anything from the app using your Me-Bucks. Then once you've actually accumulated enough Me-Bucks to get any product which you like, you can go and redeem the price, and the only thing you have to pay for is shipping costs. So getting the product free, but you have to pay for shipping, which will amount to 60 Rand. So just imagine getting a TV for 10,000 Me-Bucks. 10,000 Me-Bucks is close to 10,000 Rand, and only paying 60 Rand for a certain product. So when you earn Me-Bucks, 1 Me-Buck is equivalent to 1 Rand. So every time you earn Me-Bucks, you get 1 Rand. So you can earn Me-Bucks actually by getting people. You can share when you share a post, you get 1 Me-Buck. When you watch a video, you get 2 Me-Bucks, for example. So once you go on the app, start making Me-Bucks, you can actually start accumulating those Me-Bucks, and you can redeem those Me-Bucks into the store and buy anything you need. For example, you can get a pair of headphones, a new laptop. My friend has personally used the app. Like he recently got himself, the one I was on the call right now, he recently got himself a new cell phone. The app really rewards you for actually being on the app. So that is a great app of going about it, and right now that is all you can use
to make money. But if you need any apps to make money, you can just come back to this address. You need to really get you back. So if you need any help, you can watch my playlist on YouTube. I go by the name of Darling Influencer, and you can just watch any of my playlists which can help you make money. So that is all, man. Okay, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. So yeah, just comment in one of my videos if you need like for example help in any of my apps, and don't forget to subscribe and share my content with more and more of your friends so that you can start making money with your friends and your family. So that's all from me, man. Come back next week so we can further discuss what you can do if you actually want money instead of getting products.